Hi there. Now that school's officially been closed through June, that basically puts an end to a season that never started for AAU. So I need to start talking about getting refunds to people or vouchers to people. Whatever a family would like, you're going to get an email explaining how you sign up. We will refund the tournament money. The tourney fees are easy to refund. Unfortunately, I did buy the license, so the club fee money I have to keep because I can't afford to cover the cost of that out of my own pocket, and the supplies as well. So the $25 club fee will not be refunded. However, next year I won't have to charge for the supply stuff. Just figuring what the club fee and taxes are for the accountant each year. So we'll save money next year, but unfortunately, like I said, that money was spent in order to get the stuff ready for the season. So you'll be getting from me is an email, and you'll get a link to a document that looks like this. Okay, and we can do refunds, which I totally understand if that's what people need. Right now, people's jobs are all over the place as far as having jobs, and I think any bit of money in their pocket helps. So I want to get this out as quick as I can. What I will have to do if all, I think 70 something players, whatever it is, want refund checks, I'm going to have to order more checks from the account. So some people will get it sooner than others. As far as the girls that were juniors in the program, so the junior kids, you won't be able to play next year AU because you'll be seniors. I'm not going to do a voucher for you. I'm just going to write you a check if you were a junior currently. Everybody else, so what you should do is, and even the juniors should go and sign up here and just write check. But go and find at the bottom, you'll see the tab for the team that your kid was on, your child was on. You need to open up the document and then just tell me if you want refund check or voucher. So if we go to 9 to 12 and I type in Abby Young, sorry, did that wrong. Let me do that again. If I type in check, Abby Young for player, and then Angela Young. I need to know who the check gets made out to for people that come from where parents are split and there's two different homes. I do not remember who mailed the check or who paid for what. So I need to know the person that the check gets made out to and then the mailing address for that person. Please make sure that's complete so I can cut and paste and do this as quickly as I possibly can. So you'll go and you will do that. If you want voucher, instead of typing check, you'll type voucher. And what you will receive is a printed piece of paper that just basically says next AAU season you have a whatever credit it is. If you look at the original letter that was sent, this is what your refund will be. If you're a fifth grade team player, that's fourth or fifth, you get $100. Sixth grade would get 160. Seventh and eighth grade would get 170, and high school would get 130. Okay, that's again in the original letter that you were sent with asking if your kid wanted to be involved this year with AAU. So again, as quickly as you can, I'd like to try to get this filled out by Wednesday. If everybody can go through and fill this out, it will allow me to start processing and moving forward. I ask that everybody fills this out. Please don't make me start chasing people down too. It would be really helpful for me right now if people could just take the time to fill in their kid and what they would like. Again, voucher or check does not matter to me. I just have to, like I said, get more checks if everybody wants a check, which is not a big deal. It's just a processing, so it will take a few weeks to get that, I assume. But I will make that request on Monday if need be, or Wednesday once I see what everybody is asking for. So again, please fill this out by Wednesday. If you have any questions, please email me at tyoung@huusd.org. If your child's looking for anything, I am going to try to post videos. I have everybody's email here of things kids could be working on. Just finishing getting kind of this distance learning set up with my classroom. And once I have that under control and feeling good about that, I'll go back to focusing on some of the basketball stuff and getting things out for kids to do. For those that were looking at summer camps, still waiting to see, we're still waiting to make a decision on that. So if you sent a check in already for summer camp, I'm going to hold on to those. I'm not cashing them until I know for sure. But if your child still is looking to do summer camp at the end of June, please fill that out and get that in. Anything else, like I said, just email me. I hope this works for everyone, and have a good weekend. Hope everybody is well. Take care.